How to recover form text that disappeared in Google Chrome. Using a hex editor. Download and install HXD hex editor. Open hex editor and click Tools greater than Open Main Memory. Select your Chrome browser from the list. Go to Search greater than Find. Select the Text String tab. Enter the correct search settings. Search for a word you remember from your lost text. Double-click a search result to examine it. Select and copy any text you recognize. Paste your text into a notepad file,